Hello, good night. My name is Jonathan, ¿ok? A continuación les daré a conocer lo que yo hago en un día normal, lo que sería my daily routine, ¿ok? Let's go. Okay. I always get up at 6:30. I usually take a shower at 7 a.m. and then I put on my clothes. I normally eat my breakfast at 7:30. Later, I brush my teeth. Okay. I always go to work at 8 a.m. I usually take lunch at 12 o'clock. Okay. I always leave work at 3 p.m. I usually get home at 4 p.m. I sometimes take a break at 4:30. And then I go to play soccer with my friends. Okay. I usually go to back home around 8 p.m. I normally eat dinner at 8:30 p.m. Okay. After that, I watch TV until 9 o'clock. Later, I study for hours. Okay. And finally, I brush and I go to bed at 11 p.m. Thank you.